Two-factor authentication, not working on Westpac Online Investing Fix. If you can't log into your Westpac Online Investing account because your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't worry, it's a common issue with a quick solution. Most people think something's wrong with their account, but the surprising truth is, the problems usually come down to timing or simple device settings. Start by checking your phone's clock. Two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive, and if your phone's time does match Westpac servers exactly, your code won't work. Go to your phone settings, turn on Set Time automatically, and restart your device. If you're using an authenticator app, open it and look for time correction for codes, then tap Sync Now. Next, make sure both your Westpac app and your authenticator app are updated. Outdated versions can easily cause verification errors. Open your App Store, install any pending updates, and then try signing in again. If you rely on some codes and aren't receiving them, toggle airplane mode or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Network delays or carrier filters can sometimes block or slow down short code messages. If you've recently changed phones or deleted your authenticator app, you'll need to reset your FA. On the Westpac Online Investing login page, click Can't Access FA and follow the identity verification steps. Once complete, you can re-enable authentication on your new device. Here's a quick tip. When setting up FA again, always save your backup recovery codes. Hire the key to regaining access if your phone is lost or replaced. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Westpac Online Investing, stay calm. Sync your time, update your apps, and refresh your network. In just a few minutes, you'll be back to managing your investment securely and without interruption.